I need to talk slower, so I will talk in a whole different way than I usually speak. Because if I speak like this, which I have no idea if it's even language from another country, an accent that is, it's English. It's the English language, of course. I doubt it's an accent from some other country. It's just what I have to speak. The tone of my voice has to be this way to make myself sound more clear, to express my words without jumping the gun, without speaking too quickly so we can hear what I'm saying, without being confused about what I'm saying, so I don't basically sound like Johnny Rotten after a Sex Pistols concert, passed out in an alleyway, mumbling to myself. So I wish to say about the storm, the big blizzard in New York. Big fucking diddle. It's not even like it was when there were fucking dinosaurs being killed off. It's not even like it was when people had to actually walk 100 miles to school with no shoes on. It's no big fucking deal that you had a blizzard. Who fucking cares? Grow some balls. I'm sorry, but if you die in a blizzard, you must be a dumb fucking idiot that's standing outside with butt naked with your penis hanging out, fucking frozen like Jack Nicholson in The Shining. Fuck your blizzard. It's not even a fucking bad blizzard. A bad blizzard is what they get in fucking Russia. Or fucking somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe Antarctica where no one fucking even lives. Point being, you make a big deal about Selena Gomez. I know my woman's going to hate me for saying this. Fuck Selena Gomez and her crippled asshole. Thank you.